The company CHENKO BUD has been conducting engineering audits for enterprises throughout Ukraine for many years. Our goal is to identify weaknesses, increase energy efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure reliable operation of all systems at the enterprise. Our clients, leading enterprises that shape the country's economy, set high standards in their industry and introduce modern technologies into production, energy, and infrastructure. One of our customers is the well-known Ukrainian manufacturer of tractor-trailers and agricultural equipment, the company Zavod Kobzarenka. Our cooperation began in 2020 and continues to this day. For over 5 years, the management of Zavod Kobzarenka and CHENKO BUD have been negotiating and cooperating in various areas. Among the key projects are a thermal power plant on sunflower chips and husks with a capacity of 8 and 7 megawatts, and on chips with a capacity of 3 megawatts, heating boiler houses, heating systems for industrial facilities, as well as joint production of steam mini-turbines. In connection with the need to decentralize heat and electricity production for the Zavod Kobzarenka partnership, 3 modern options for equipping with a thermal capacity of 1 megawatt were proposed, which ensure high efficiency and flexibility of operation. We propose the installation of 2 CST fire boilers with a capacity of 500 kilowatts each, operating on wood chips, sawdust, pellets, chicken litter, grain straw, and others. This eliminates dependence on one type of fuel and allows you to choose the most economical option in conditions of price fluctuations or supply disruptions. 2 boilers allow you to more accurately adapt to current heat needs. During periods of rising temperatures outside, one of the boilers can go into idle mode, which helps optimize energy consumption and reduce operating costs. We work with both industrial enterprises and budget organizations, participate in government tenders, and implement turnkey projects. In this regard, CHENKO BUD is increasingly being contacted for the design, supply, and installation of gas piston units. Such a unit was also selected for the Zavod Kobzarenka, which simultaneously provides 1 megawatt of thermal and 1 megawatt of electrical power. This is a reliable solution for producing its own electricity and heat, especially today when enterprises and institutions are looking for energy independence, backup power, and cost optimization. During the meeting, our engineers conducted a detailed inspection of the territory and production facilities of the Zavod Kobzarenka. As a result of this visit, we had the idea of implementing a project to build a mini combined heat and power plant, which ideally meets modern energy and economic requirements and allows us to combine highly efficient heating of production facilities and electricity generation. At the preparatory stage of the engineering audit, our team visited the straw-fired boiler house of the Czech company, TTS. This is a modern energy facility that uses alternative fuel, baled straw, to generate heat. The capacity of the installation allows us to provide heating of large areas, which makes it an interesting model for implementation in Ukrainian agricultural and municipal projects. This visit helped us better prepare for the audit, understand the real operating conditions of the facility, and provide the customer with substantiated recommendations on the efficiency and potential for modernization. The company CHENKO BUD already has successful experience in implementing a baled straw combustion system for the production needs of the agro-industrial group of companies Dniprovska. The customer was satisfied with the result, noted the clear work, engineering quality of the solutions, and the economic effect of the implementation. For the result, we received official gratitude from the Dniprovska company, which for us is the best confirmation of the effectiveness of our work. Also, as part of the commercial proposal, we visited the Czech company Step Trutnov, which produces new, completely unique boiler designs that allow burning whole packages of plant biomass without the need for preliminary sorting or distribution. The company CHENKO BUD has already conducted a field engineering audit at the Zavod Kobzarenka in order to determine the technical capabilities for organizing its own heat and electricity production at the enterprise. As part of the visit, our team conducted a detailed survey of existing engineering systems, studied the site infrastructure, connection, ventilation, heat removal, and automation capabilities in order to prepare a real and economically viable energy independence project. We hope for further cooperation with the Zavod Kubzarenka team, where the next steps will be an analytical period, during which we will process all the collected data, conduct a feasibility study, and form the working and final stages. We believe that this project will become an example of modern and energy-independent production in Ukraine. CHENKO BUD, engineering support for your growth.